At JB&A, we get to help customers of all types, and we continue to see the education market need solutions to ever-expanding problems. Educators face unique challenges, and many products just don't hit the mark. Education facilities all across the country struggle with technologies that are difficult to learn, difficult to use, and difficult to understand. And that's why we're so excited to offer the Epiphan product line and the new Epiphan Pearl Nano. The Epiphan Pearl Nano solves big problems in a really small box. The ever-popular Epiphan Pearl Mini has been made even smaller to allow it to fit into tighter spaces and cost you even less money. It's a win-win. With an incredibly intuitive user interface, the Pearl Nano makes lecture capture as easy as can be. Don't let that small price tag and stature fool you though. It's packed with features and can even integrate with Crestron, Panopto, and Kaltura natively. These integrations make your life even easier when you're using a CMS or an LMS platform. Not only does Nano integrate easily, it actually brings an advanced toolset to your CMS and LMS platforms, like advanced recording and streaming capabilities that are found in the Epiphan Pearl Nano. Remote learning isn't going away. The Epiphan Pearl Nano offers an all-in-one switching, streaming, and recording device for an incredible price. Staff and faculty will love the ease of use, and students will love the great video quality. If you have questions about the Epiphan Pearl Nano and how it can make your life even easier, reach out to JB&A. We'd love to help. Thanks.